lover, you're going to like it today. Thanks a lot, Ryan. And at 6:41 right now on your Wednesday morning, Paris is looking for love. He has been all week. He's live from the Pearl in Mexico, or excuse me, Rosemary Beach.
He's on a quest to find the most romantic spots in our area, Paris.
Oh, yeah, this place has it all. I mean, they have beautiful rooms. They have a great view here. As you can see, some beautiful waves breaking behind me here in Rosemary Beach, where you have a great view of the architecture here. And we are at the Pearl. This place is a great romantic getaway. Not only is it great for couples to come and reconnect, but Executive Chef Matt Moore, you guys have some great things going on at the Havana Beach Bar and Grill, because something I know a lot of people are interested in is the date night sushi.
So date night sushi, it is an absolute romantic kind of couples night, if you will. I'm going to kind of show you some history and teach you how to roll the sushi. People a lot of times don't think of sushi as something they can do, but it's absolutely untrue. So we'll show you how. You're going to roll it yourself. We'll cut it for you because we don't want you using a knife for the most part. And then you'll eat it and you'll drink the tasting, the sakis, and unfiltered to filtered to flavored sakis, cold and hot. It's just a great experience altogether.
That is so cool. I'm guessing when couples come out and do that, they're really digging it, aren't they?
Oh, they're into it. It's you help them roll one, they'll push you out of the way for the most part. They want to do it themselves. A lot of people they're independent. They're looking at each other. They're laughing at each other. It really makes for a special night.
Well, and I know you see it a lot of times. You see a lot of couples that come here because this hotel does cater to adults. That's what it's all about. You're having a vacation or a Valentine's Day dinner Sunday. What is that going to consist of, Matt?
So we have a 4-course dinner. It's kind of a his and hers pairing. If you know Northwest Florida, you know we like options. So every course we have 2 options, except for that final course. So that final course, we're going to make you share a milkshake. We have chocolate truffles, some candies, and different things that really end your night.
What, a milkshake?
A milkshake.
That is so cool. Is it 2 straws?
2 straws, milkshake, big straws for the most part.
That is so cool. And look at this view, folks. I mean, it is so beautiful here. This is room. What numbered room is this? 401.
401. Yeah.
401. Beautiful room. It's such a greatly appointed hotel. They cater to adults. If you're looking for that romantic Valentine's Day getaway, you want to get away for a little staycation, the Pearl's definitely the place to do it. This is a beautiful place. Executive Chef Matt Moore, hey, thanks a lot, dude. It's a little bit cold out here, isn't it?
Well, it'll warm up. Hopefully.
It's okay. This is beautiful. Take a look at this view. You guys come out to Rosemary Beach. Come check out the Pearl. Vacation, Valentine's Day, doesn't matter if they love locals here. I love that view.